Cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away. Even though we're going through it, and it makes you feel alone. Hi pamilya, ayun. So, sorry kung madalang nila ako mag-upload kasi nubot sipon din ako guys. Tsaka, madami din akong ginagawa yung mga modular ko. So, sorry kung, ayan, hintayin na lang ako mag-upload, please. Bye, pamilya!